Hello everyone, here's an example of how to solve a long division problem. Our problem is x to the fourth minus 10x squared minus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 3. To begin solving the problem, you put the numerator inside the division sign. And then you place the denominator on the outside. We include the 0x to the cube as a placeholder to avoid any errors in our calculations. Afterwards, we look at the x to the fourth. We determine what we can multiply to the x plus 3 to get x to the fourth. So that number will be x to the third. X to the third times x gives us x to the fourth. X to the third times 3 gives us 3x third. Now, we'll look at these two terms and subtract these two terms. Right? X to the fourth minus x to the fourth gives us 0. So these two cancel out. And 0x to the third minus 3x plus 3 gives us negative 3x to the third. So we'll bring this down. And the rest of the other terms we'll just bring down. Now we just repeat what we did earlier. We'll look at the negative 3x to the third and determine what we can multiply to the x plus 3 to get negative 3x to the third, which will be negative 3x squared. Negative 3x squared times x gives us negative 3x to the third. Negative 3x squared times 3 gives us negative 9x squared. We'll subtract. These two cancel out. And this becomes negative x squared minus 2x plus 4. Because we bring the rest down. Now we just keep repeating what we did. Negative x times x gives us negative x squared. Negative x times 3 gives us negative 3x. We'll subtract the two terms again. These two cancel out. And this becomes x plus 4. We'll do it one more time. 1 times x gives us x. 1 times 3 gives us 3. We'll subtract. And this becomes 1.